Come on over here, Tristan. It's gonna blast off. Are you gonna do the honors, Zeke?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Okay.
We're gonna have to count down.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, now press the button. It's coming down. Oh, the parachute opened. See if you can catch it. Try and run and catch it. Almost. What did you think?
Fun.
It was fun?
Shoot up in the rain.
You thought it would shoot up into space? So were you a little disappointed? You weren't? That's good. All right, come over here. Should we do it again?
Yeah.
Oh, you want to do it? Okay, it'll be your turn this time, Tristan. Are you good? Are you ready to do it? All right, we're gonna go ahead. Count down.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Battle!
It's going over. It's going behind us. This way. Keep running. Keep running. Oh no! And you lost a shoe. Yeah, it was good. It was scary. And good. Do you want to do it again sometime?
Yeah.
But not
Yeah, not today. Nope.
Alright, are you going
It's
over?
the moon.